All right, today we are going to go through a question that is a P6 math question that require you to write down the ratio properly. If you don't write down the ratio properly, you will not be able to solve this question efficiently. All right, without further ado, let's dive straight into the question. Ali, Banu, and Chai Xuan and Dave shared a bag of beads. Ali had half as many beads as Banu. So what I tell my students is always write down proportions in ratio, because ratio gives you the clearest representation of units. So if Ali has half as many beads as Banu, that means Ali has 1 unit, Banu has 2 units. All right, the total number of beads Ali and Banu had was 3/5 the number of beads Taishan had. Okay, so here we are going to write so how to write a good ratio is to write Ali plus Banu, because it's an N. That means together Ali and Banu has 3/5 as many beads as Taishan. So Taishan must be 5 units and Ali and Banu must have 3 units. So this is actually good for us because the ratio here shows you that Ali and Banu has 3 units. Okay, so we are going to, since these two are the same, we can actually just combine the ratio. Ali has 1 unit, Banu has 2, and Taishan has 5. Okay, because just nice, Ali and Banu is 3 units here, and Ali and Banu is 3 units here as well. What if they are different? If they are different, then you make them the same by finding the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. But just nice is the same, so we're happy with this. Okay. Then we can continue from here. Dave had 2/5 the total number of beads the 4 children had. So now how to write a good ratio for this is the 4 children, don't just write the total, write everybody. Okay, Ali plus Banu plus Taishan plus Dave. So Dave has 2 and the total has 5. All right, so now a good ratio shouldn't have a repeat. So if you already have Dave here and you have Dave here, you wouldn't, this is not a good ratio because this 5 includes Dave. So I'm going to rewrite the ratio as Dave is to Ali, Banu, and Taishan. And the ratio will be instead 5 minus 2, okay, 3. So Ali, Banu, and Taishan will be 3 parts, while Dave is 2 parts. So now, can you see that Ali, Banu, and Taishan here should actually be 8 units? So 8 units and 3 parts, they are not the same, but they are supposed to be the same. Because here is Ali, Bali plus Taishan. And here you also have Ali, Banu, and Taishan. So since these 8 units and 3 parts are supposed to be referring to the same thing, then you will make them the same by the lowest common multiple of 8 and 3, which is 24. Times 3, times 3, times 3. 3 is to 6 is to 15. And then this one will times 8. Then that will give you 16 is to 24. All right, now I would like to get our best ratio, which includes everybody's portion separately. Okay, so Ali has 3 units here. Banu has 6 units. Taishan has 15 units. And Dave has 16 units. All right, so now we are going to match it to the clue given to us. The value given to us is 52 bits more than Ali. So Dave has 52 bits more than Ali. All right, so Dave plus Ali. Sorry, Dave is 16 units. Ali has 3 units, so the difference is 13 units. 13 units must be equals to 52. And then 1 unit must be 52 divided by 13. That will give you 4. All right, so what fraction of the bits did Banu have? All right, this one you can already solve for A. The total number of units is 3 units plus 6 units plus 15 units plus 16 units. Okay, that will give you 15 plus 16 is 31 units. 31 units plus 9 is 40 units. All right, then Banu over the total will be 6 over 40. And then you can simplify it to, even though the question never asks you to simplify, let's just make it a good habit, 3 over 20. Okay? That's the answer for A. All right, then we are going to do B. How many bits do the children have altogether? The children have a total of 40 units altogether. 1 unit is 4, so 4 times 40. The answer is 160. All right, so this question, if you know how to write the correct ratio, you make the ratio separately, show as many details in the ratio as possible. So rather than saying total, you write down A plus B plus C plus D, because you can see the final details when you write the ratio this way. And if you do it this way, you will not have problems when you're doing with complicated ratio questions. All right.